Well, lottie-dottie, we likes to party. We don't cause trouble. We don't bother nobody. We're just some crackers who on the mic. And when we rock up on the mic, we rock the mic.
Right.
For all my dogs, keeping y'all in health, just to see you smile and enjoy yourself, 'cause it's cool when we cause a cozy conditioning, which we create, 'cause that's our mission. So listen close to what we say, because this types of shit happens every day. I woke up around 10 o'clock in the morning. I gave myself a stretch up, I'm only yawning. Went to the bathroom to wash up. I threw some soap on my face, put my hands up on a cup and said, mirror, mirror on the wall, who is the top dog of them all? There was a rubble-double. 5 minutes it lasted. The mirror said, you are, you conceited bastard. That's true. That's why we never have no beef. So I slipped off my khakis and my gold leaf. Used oil of Olay 'cause my skin gets pale. And then I got the file for my fingernails. I'm true to the style on my behalf. I put the bubbles in the tub so I could take a bubble bath. Clean, dry was my body and hair. I threw on my brand new doggy underwear for all the bitches I might take home. I got the Johnson baby powder and cool water cologne. Now I'm fresh dressed like $1,000,000. Threw on my white socks with my all blue chucks. Stepped out the house, stopped short. Oh no! I went back in, I forgot my endo. Then I dilly-dally. I ran through an alley, bumped into the smoker named Sally from the valley. This was a girl playing hard to get, so I said, what's wrong? 'Cause she looked upset. She said, it's all because of you. I'm feeling sad and blue. You went away, now my life is filled with rainy days. I love you so, how much you'll never know. 'Cause you went and took your dope from me. Now damn, what was I to do? She's crying over me and she wasn't feeling blue. I said, don't cry, dry your eyes. And here comes your mother with those two little guys. Her mean mother steps and says to me, hi. Kicked Sally in the face and punched her in the eye. Punched her in the belly and stepped on her feet. Slammed the child on the hard concrete. The bitch was strong, the kids was gone, something was wrong. I said, what is going on? I tried to break it up. I said, stop it, just leave her. She said, if I can't smoke none, she can't either. She grabbed me closely by my jock, but I broke the hell out and I grabbed my sack of rocks, but they gave chase. They caught up quick. They started crying on my shoes and grabbing my dick and saying, why don't you give me a play so we can break it down the Long Beach way? And if you give me that okay, I give you all my love today. Doggy, 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 can't you see? Somehow your words just hypnotize me. And I just love your jazzy ways. I guess it's why you're dope and you're so paid.